I'm Linda. Spring cleaning is all about refreshing your space, getting rid of old things and reorganizing and getting things in the right place, and making your space conducive to being creative. And that's what we're about, being creative. So let's have some fun and do that today. What's the first thing you need when you start spring cleaning? A place to put your stuff. What does that mean? You need boxes and baskets and lots of them. Wasn't that fun? I wish it could be done that fast, but it never happens that fast for me. Spring cleaning is something that I do once or twice a year, but I usually try to keep everything organized and put away on a regular basis. That way I don't have to do a lot of spring cleaning. But some of the tips I have for you is give yourself time to do the cleaning and organizing that you need to in your studio in order to make it more conducive for you to work. My first tip is the time. Take the time. My second tip is using boxes to store your materials and supplies in. I use clear plastic boxes. It's easier for me to see what's in the box without opening it. The second thing that I use that's really important to me is labels. I label everything, and that way I don't have to open a box to see what's inside of it. I can tell at a glance on the shelf or in the cabinet what it is and pull it out and put it back very easily. Now, I'm off to find some more boxes because I've got all this stuff to organize and box up again. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you got a few tips out of it. I'm Linda. Until next time.